All right, good morning. Let's get back to it. Let's do what we do and look at the stock market and see what's going on. I'm going to go back over to my stock portfolio. I'll refresh my smart stock so I can see how my portfolio performed yesterday. All right, so Nike, close this out real quick. Nike stocks rose yesterday. I had a $17 gain, so that was pretty good. And then Facebook actually saw almost a 1% gain in Facebook, so it made $13.80 yesterday off Facebook. That's pretty good. Nike again, I made $36 here on that one, and this is Nike. This is the New York Stock Exchange, and then this is just Nike. So they were pretty close, $77.09 a share, $77.08 a share. Procter & Gamble, man, this is a great pick right now. I made $1,565 just in one day. In one day with Procter & Gamble. It went from $79.36 to $80.92. Amazing. Flat out amazing. And then Coca-Cola. I made $34 in Coca-Cola. So yesterday was a good day. I made more money than I lost. I think I lost $213 on Apple, which I'm kind of thinking about dumping this here in a second. We may ride this out, but may want to add something else to the mix. So let's go over here to CNBC and see what's going on. All right. You go to markets. I always go to pre-markets. I got an article that I was reading through earlier about GDP. GDP is gross domestic product. Growth now even higher after trade gap narrows. What's this all standing for? Our country makes money just like a regular business, and our profits are determined by our GDP. So I'm saying the second quarter growth expected by economists to be 3% for lower. The surprise was reportedly last week. Second quarter GDP will be announced with a revision August 28th. Exports rose by almost 0.1% to a record high of 195.9 billion, backed by strong sales of automobiles. So cars must be selling pretty good. It looks like it will be sustained. The foreign exchange market isn't mispriced. So I guess we must have made money through our exports. So good to know that we are still making money through exports, and it looks like the automobile industry may be rebounding. The other report that I looked at was, go forward here. The midday movers, what was happening yesterday on the stock market. So the things that I kind of looked at was Cablevision. Cablevision, the cable company, declined after reporting losses that doubled in the second quarter from the first. So that's not looking good for Cablevision. Family Dollar stores, the discount retailer, spiked after Bloomberg reported Dollar General is exploring a bid to counter Dollar Tree's $8.5 billion offer. So the Family Dollar is selling. Dollar General is looking to put a counter offer out there because the Dollar Tree must have made an offer that they feel like they can beat. So keep your eyes open for what's happening on with the Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Let's see here. Target, I think we talked about that yesterday. The discount retailer dropped after cutting its second quarter forecast, citing costs related to a security breach. So I think that was public news. That didn't work out good for them at all financially. You can kind of go through there on your own and look at some other things, but as you can tell, looking at the pre-markets, and it depends on what time of day you're looking at this, but the pre-markets show right now that the S&P is up, the Dow Jones is up, the NASDAQ is up, the Russell is up. Asian Pacific, Europe, not looking that good. Commodities kind of 50-50. Currencies, U.S. Treasuries, different sectors, all those things kind of look like the indices. U.S. indices doesn't look good at all. So just keep your eye on that. But again, make it a 5-minute habit. If you can do this 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week, or if you do it once a week on Saturday and try to do maybe 5 or 10 minutes, it really will help you get more involved and understand what's happening with the stock market. This is how you get good, is a little bit every day. Have a great day.